And the idea is that we use the best possible ingredients, and then, in my opinion, if you use the best ingredients, you get the best results.
Hello, my name is Elaine Murphy. I'm here from Murphy's Kitchen and we sell lots of pies
On various markets across the region.
and the best sellers, I think probably beef and Guinness in the pies, and the venison is very popular. Scotch eggs made with the sausage meat from Geordie Banger Company.
And here are some of the plate pies. They're a relatively new addition to the repertoire, but they have proved to be very popular. Corned beef, minced beef, occasionally we do steak pies, but we do a ham and egg pie, which we actually call Nanna pies, because everyone's nan used to make a ham and egg pie. There are some interesting quiches. We do a feta pea, mint and spinach, and also a red pepper and goat's cheese, which are both very popular, even in the winter. I would say the unique selling point is probably the fact that I make them at home. I make them in my own kitchen. I make everything. There's nothing here that I wouldn't eat myself, and I don't think I look like I'm doing too bad on them.
So I'm Si King from the Hairy Bikers, as I hope you know, and I'm incredibly proud to be helping promote a new initiative which is called Produced in Northumberland. And all of this is what we do.